Twi Lesson 2, Level 2. How do you say eat in Twi? Di. Drink in Twi is nom. How do you translate this? I want to eat something good. Me pese mi di biribi papa. Me pese mi di biribi papa. Cold. I'm feeling cold. How do you say cold in Twi? Awo or nyunu? Awo or nyunu nyunu nyunu. How do you translate this? I want to drink something cold. Me pese me nom biribi a eye nyunu. Me pese me nom biribi a eye nyunu. In this case, we can use or we have to use the nyunu instead of the awo. How do you translate water in Twi? Nsuo. Water. Nsuo. It is good to drink water. Translate it into Twi. Eyese ubenum nsuo. Eyese ubenum nsuo. How do you translate good in Twi? Eye, papa, or pa. They all mean the same thing. How do you say you have? Do you remember you have? Owo. Owo. How do you say you want in Twi? Ope. Ope. Translate this. Do you want to eat something? Opese udi biribi. Do you want to eat something? Opese udi biribi. I have water if you want. The Twi version is mewo insuo se wope. I have water if you want. Mewo insuo se wope. How do you translate cat in Twi? Okra. Cat. Okra. How do you say, do you want cat? The Twi version is ope okra. Ope okra. What in Twi is dien or a dien. What? Dien or a dien in Twi. What do you want? The Twi version is ope dien or ope a dien. What do you want? Ope dien. Ope dien. What do you want to drink? Dien na ope se wonom. What do you want to drink? Dien na ope se wonom. Drink is nom. What do you have for me? Dien na wowo mame. What do you have for me? Twi version. Dien na wowo mame. To buy something. To. Buy. To in Twi. What do you want to buy? Twi version. Dien na wo pese wo to. Dien na wo pese wo to. You in Twi version is wo. You. The Twi version is wo. Eat. The Twi version is di. Eat. Di. I don't want to eat it. Mempe se medi eno. Mempe se medi eno. I don't want to eat it. Mempe se medi eno. How do you translate this? It is important to drink it. Ehun hia se onom. Ehun hia se onom. Do you remember drink? The Twi version is nom. See, to see something, hu or hunu. Look, hwe. To look at something, hwe. How do you translate this? I want to see. Me pese mi hunu. Me pese mi hunu. I want to see. Me pese mi hunu. I, me. I, Twi version is me. How do you translate this? Do you want to see? O pese uhunu. Do you want to see? Wopɛ sɛ wohu no. How do you translate this? I can. Metumi. I can. Metumi. How do you translate this? I can see it. Metumi hunu no. Metumi hunu no. How do you translate this? I can buy it for you. Metumi ato amawo. Metumi ato amawo. How do you translate you in Twi? Wo. You. Wo. To do something, yeah. To do something in Twi is yeah. I want to do it today because it is very important. Mepɛ sɛ meyɛ no nnɛ ɛfiri sɛ ɛho hia paa. I want to do it today because it is very important. Mepɛ sɛ meyɛ no nnɛ ɛfiri sɛ ɛho hia paa. How do you translate what? Deɛn or ɛdeɛn? What do you want to do today? Deɛn na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ nnɛ? Deɛn na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ nnɛ? Deɛn na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ nnɛ? I can't do it today, but I can do it tomorrow. The Twi version is me ntumi nyɛ no nnɛ, nanso metumi ayɛ no ɔkyena. Me ntumi nyɛ no nnɛ, nanso metumi ayɛ no ɔkyena. How do you translate tomorrow in Twi? Ɔkyena. Tomorrow, ɔkyena. I want to do it today. It is very important. The Twi version is mepɛ sɛ meyɛ no nnɛ ɛfiri sɛ ɛho hia paa. Mepɛ sɛ meyɛ no nnɛ ɛfiri sɛ ɛho hia paa. What do you want to do today? Deɛn na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ no nnɛ? Deɛn na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ nnɛ? Deɛn na wopɛ sɛ woyɛ nnɛ? I can't do it today, but I can do it tomorrow. Me ntumi nyɛ no nnɛ, nanso metumi ayɛ no ɔkyena. Me ntumi nyɛ no nnɛ, nanso metumi ayɛ no ɔkyena. Tomorrow is translated in Twi ɔkyena. Translation, the translated version of tomorrow is ɔkyena in Twi. You have, owo. You can, ubetumi. You can, ubetumi. Can you buy it for me? Ubetumi ato amami. The Twi version is ubetumi ato amami. Sarfo Baffoe, subscribe, achi, like, comment. If you follow the lessons well from level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 going upwards, you are going to speak Twi without stress. Thank you for watching Sarfo Baffoe's TV. Please, if today is your first time of hearing this wonderful voice, please kindly subscribe, like, and comment.